Shalom and welcome to the Torah. This year is entitled What the Loss of Hugs is Doing to Us. In a recent Science Times article, where so much of the Science Times these days is dedicated to dealing with the epidemic and the after effects and the psychological effects and the long-term effects, etc., etc. So this is about the loss of hugs, and it says the following. Everyday touch has become a source of stress in a way that never was before the pandemic. Hugging, kissing, connection, shaking hands, saying hello to each other. That was all a normal way to connect with loved ones, family, through hugging, kissing, shaking hands in business. That's it. Now it's a source of stress instead of a source of love and connection. So some people have gone many months without touch. It was one of the first things we were cautioned against, the article said, even before social distancing, masks, and stay-at-home orders became the new norm. Meaning that was the first thing, don't touch. And Dr. Tiffany Field, PhD in the area, specialized in the area of touch, says that touch is the mother of all senses. So here we have a world without having touch. A study a few years ago showed that touch was the most important nonverbal behavior in the nursing profession when treating older patients. In old age, the tactile hunger is more powerful than ever. It's the only sensuous experience that remains. So we have to understand what's going on. On the one hand, we have to follow the laws and the regulations and the guidelines from the health ministries around the world. And if it says not to touch a stranger, not to hug, not to shake, fine. On the other hand, we should understand that this is something that people are missing. And we go see someone, we don't shake his hand, we don't hug, but at least understand that's missing. And understand that person, if the person is living alone and not having hugs from anyone, to really identify with the pain. And even in our own families, maybe our children would give high fives to their friends, shake hands, hug, sit in kumsitzes together. Those days are over. So we have to make sure we as parents, as family members, supply those extra hugs and that tactile sense of closeness and connection that comes from the feelings of touch, to do our best to make sure to help those who are missing it in any way that we can. Shalom.